Good morning, everyone. My name is Sid, and today is 24th of April. So here's the trading plan for today. Now, in terms of world indices, so Dow had a good day. It closed with a 145 points up. Nasdaq, Nikkei. I think most of the world indices, if you see, are in green. So things looks fine from that perspective. Yeah. And I said, till it's holding this trend line, the Dow Jones is aiming for new high. So keep watching. Let's see. Uh, Coming back to India, USD INR. Now, as said from past 3 days, it is still in a range of 69 and 70. So once it breaks down or breaks out, then only we may see further moves. But as of now, it's range, so it's fine. Uh, Crude, as said, it's not showing the correct charts, but crude as said on Monday that it is going to go up, and that's what happened. I think yesterday also it went up. It tried to show some profit booking and then it blasted. So I think for today, important levels are. Um, I think this is acting as a good level 4629. So if it is trading above it, you should remain bullish. And I think a good support is around this area. So only below this we can see some profit booking. Yeah. Now Nifty futures. Yeah. So as said yesterday, we are showing weakness. We are showing profit booking after this rally, and yesterday it had broken this important level as well and closed below it. So we may see further weakness. Yeah, this has broken this important level of 11607. So let's see how what it does today. For intraday, I think till it is trading below 11618, I will be bearish, and it would be, it will show some sign of reversal only above 11653. Yeah, so that is an important level. Only above this, we may see some kind of, bullishness for intraday. Yeah. So I think global indices are positive. So I think we may see some bounce in the initial or morning session. So don't short it initially. Maybe you can wait for some bounce, and then around this area it would be a good, sell. And if it starts trading above this and sustaining above this, then probably we may see a level of around 700 odd levels, and then this on the downside. The next support or the major support is coming around. It is at support actually, so it is at gap support. So yes, it may bounce in the initial session, in the morning session, and then the next support is around 520. Yeah. Bank Nifty futures. Where is Bank Nifty? Now, again, Bank Nifty futures on daily charts, it is showing weakness. It has already given a breakdown, as said, and now the next major support is around this level. Uh, so let's see. But in terms of intraday, so it is bearish till it is trading below 29739, and any move towards this level should be used for shorting. I'll wait for some up move, and then only I'll try to enter shorts, because it has already fallen 3 days. So I'll not short, as soon as the market opens. Um, just to have a better risk to reward, we'll sell it in this zone of 29800 or 29739, around this area. It is bullish only if it starts trading above this level. And if it starts trading above this level, the next resistance is coming around this area, 3048, this area, 3219. On the downside, the support is around, like I said, the major support is around 29284. Yeah, and before that, it I think there is no major support, a small support around this area. So 29432, 29432 and 29284. So these are the important support levels for Nifty futures, Bank Nifty futures. Sorry. Yeah. Any bounce you should look for selling opportunities. Yeah. Individual stocks, Coal India. I think on daily chart it is moving up. It is trending up. It is above an important resistance as well. Yeah. So it is moving up. So let's see. Small resistance at around 257. This high, this candle's high may act as a small resistance as well. Now it is bullish if it is trading above this zone. So 240.54.90 to 255.30. This will act as a good support. So dip towards these levels, into this level, should be used for buying for a move like this. Bearish below 253.3. It has a big lot size of 2.2k. So one can trade small in cash instead of trading in futures. A bit risky. Yeah. ONGC. Now this has given a good move by the end of the day. End of the day yesterday. It just blasted. It has also given a breakout of this range. It was trading in a range for around 10-15 days. There's no movement, so it has given a breakout of this range, which shows some kind of strength in the stock. In terms of intraday, now the major support is coming around 162.65. So the best area to enter is around these levels, on depths, or on some kind of breakout, in the morning. But better to enter near the support. That's how you'll make money. Always enter near support and short near resistance. So better to enter near support. It will give you a better risk to reward. This area itself is a good support area. Okay, this zone. So try to enter in this zone, and then let's see how it goes. Axis Bank. Now it's in clear cut range. 758.95 is the bullish level. 749.8 is a bearish level. So any move above or below this, it can be used for buying or selling. Okay, until it is in the range, it should be in a no trade zone. Yeah. So any move towards this uh, above 758.9, it can move towards this area or this area 767, 777, 771. So this seems to be important. In terms of support, let's see. It is at support, multiple support. So this level is very crucial to be held. So see this. This also has taken a support earlier as well. Next important level is coming at 743. So let's see. And then around 735. So these two levels are important. I think I given these levels yesterday as well. Auto Pharma futures. Now on daily chart, like I said, it is range. Only thing is it is creating lower highs. So looks like it is losing momentum. It may give a breakdown if market supports. So on intraday, it is bearish till it is trading below 783.50. It is bullish only above 792.10. So these are the two important critical levels. Bounce towards these levels should be used for shorting, and then in terms of support, it may reach towards 775. Yeah, 775 seems to be important support, and then around this 766 levels as well. Yeah, so these are the two important support zones. Major resistance at 792, and above that we may reach 800 and 805 or 806 levels. Yeah. So for today, look for shorting opportunities until this level is intact, 792.10. Only if it sustains above this level, it may show some bullish moves. Yeah. Yes Bank, it has fallen a great deal, a good momentum and good downtrend. Now it is coming near some kind of support levels as well. So I would be a bit cautious in shorting the stock, from the current price. We'll wait for some bounce here as well. So any bounce towards this level of 237.7, which is still a 7 point far from the current market price, should be used for shorting opportunities. It is bullish only if it starts sustaining above 244.60. This area, this zone is very, very important resistance zone. So it won't cross it easily. So let it sustain above it, then only you can have further up move. Yeah. But I think the stock can bounce up to 237.7 levels. So in morning, if the market opens up, it can show some bounce. Shorting from current market price is kind of risky because it is entering into a lot of support zones, a lot of support area. So let's see how it goes. So don't be aggressive in shorting. That's what I'm trying to say. wait for good levels, good resistance levels. Indigo. Now, Indigo is also near support of previous breakout. Okay, so the stock was in range, and from there it got a breakout. So obviously, this will act as a support level around 750, 71456.50. It may find some support there. So sorry. So as of now, not very bearish on the stock, because it is at support. Uh, Although you should remember one factor, crude. Okay, now crude is going up. Indigo has got the benefit of jet. The jet planes are grounded, so Indigo is getting benefit and it has moved up. Now one should understand the ATF price and petrol and diesel prices are not moving up just because elections. Even though crude is moving up, government is not increasing the petrol, diesel and ATF prices. But as soon as the election gets over, these prices will increase, and they will increase significantly if crude sustains above $72 or $74. So I think after election we may see some weakness in this stock. Okay, let's see how it goes. But then as of now, since ATF prices are stable, nobody is increasing them, so not very bearish until this support is intact. So if it bounces above 1453, this futures, it starts trading above 1483, we may see some bounce towards this level or this level. Yeah, but again, it is a risky short, risky stock. Yeah, so be careful. Trade with small quantities would be better, because any which is it gives you 20-30 rupees movement in a day. Yeah, so even if you are buying 100 stocks, you can still earn 3,000, 4,000 rupees, without taking too much risk. Yeah, so let's see. I think two longs, just two stocks, Tata Steel and Tata Motors. I'll just give you bearish and bullish levels. It is bullish only about 235.40. It is bearish till it is trading below 233.5. Any move towards this zone should be used for shorting. Tata Steel again, bullish only above 532.70. It is bearish till it is trading below 527.4. So any move into this zone should be used for shorting. Yeah. Today, I'm expecting some kind of bounce in the market after a decent fall. So on the rise itself, into the resistance, then only try to short. But then let's see how it opens. Thank you, and do share, like, and subscribe to these videos. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.